A message from Nature Spirit. An ocean of tears have been shed by the broken hearts that have travelled your planet since physical beings first walked on Mother Earth. Many times over, we have urged scores of beautiful souls to stand in their power and rediscover the mystical spirit that lies within each and everyone, just longing to be recognized and embraced. This magical energy connects to and responds so beautifully to love. A love that completely envelops the hearts of those longing to see their own magnificence and rejoice in their uniqueness, and yet also sees the oneness and connection to all things. These are the hearts that truly understand that loving self is the spark that lights the candle of happiness, which shines into the darkest recesses of the soul and enables physical beings to fly towards their desires. You are so loved.